These are the morning glory plants that I started from cuttings, and you can check out the original video from the link in the description below. They have flowered and produced seed pods. Now I get to grow seeds from my own plants. How cool is that? After your morning glory has flowered, it will leave behind seed pods. When they dry out and turn a light tan color and have cracked open, they are ready to harvest. Here's what mine looked like, to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Don't wait too long or the seeds will fall out from the pod. Remove the pods from the plant and open them up. I usually got 4 small black seeds per pod, but you may get 6 as well. Use a light soil mixture that will retain moisture. I am using half regular potting soil and half core, coconut husk fiber. Some sites recommend scarifying and soaking the seeds, but with my fresh seeds, I had the best results by simply planting the seeds directly in soil. Place your seeds on top of your starter container and cover with a thin layer of soil. For convenience, I am putting all 10 seeds in one pot. To create a mini hothouse effect, I suggest placing the starter container in a clear sealed bag of some sort, or placing a bag over the top. Keep them where they receive plenty of indirect light and try to keep them warm. Above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 25 degrees Celsius. Here they are after only 1 week. 4 of the 10 seeds have already germinated. A great start. 2-week update. No more seeds germinated, but the 4 sprouts are really looking nice and healthy. Though I didn't get a really high success rate, I think growing morning glory from fresh seeds is a relatively easy process. When they get a bit larger, I will add them to my morning glory collection. Let me know what method you use and the results in the comments below. You know, I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.